Hi, this is Meagan Waite for Communications 310 with my final website called allabouttheyoga.com. As you can see, I have brought it up in Firefox, the web browser that we have been using this semester, and I'd like to show you around a little bit. We are landed on the home page. I just kind of do an introduction to yoga. The main purpose of my site is to get people that are interested in yoga, preferably over 40, because I'm over 40. People maybe that are just beginning to show an interest in yoga, and share my experiences with them and have them follow me and on my blog. I have homepage, a couple of photos, just a little bit about very, very basics of yoga just to get readers interested. I have a benefits page that quickly talks about a few benefits that I've learned while researching the benefits of yoga, with a couple of references. I've chosen to showcase the word namaste, which means I bow to the divine in you, and it's something that we do at the end of every yoga practice. The about page is a little bit about me. That photo was taken on a cruise last year. It was a lot of fun. And yes, I did yoga on the ship, and that was quite interesting as well, trying to keep my balance when the ground underneath me was moving around a little bit. I've got a blog page. There's a few blog posts on here where I have shared some of my experiences while doing yoga. And then finally, we have the contact page. Not only does it list the email at the top, but it has a contact form. The bottom navigation has my practice folder and style guide. As far as my design decisions go, I chose colors that associate with yoga, that bring calm and zen, if you will. One of the things that I struggled with most while making the website is something I seem to struggle with most, and that's alignment. My alignment looks great in Firefox today, but I think that it doesn't always look the same in every browser on every computer. So that's something that's always difficult to deal with. What did I learn the most? I learned a lot more HTML and CSS. And actually, I've really enjoyed this class, and I hope you enjoy my website, and I encourage each of you to try yoga. It's magical. Thanks.